Hello and welcome back to Peditech. Unless of course it is your first time here. If it is your first time here, really hope you do enjoy the video. Please do give the video a thumbs up, as YouTube likes it, I like it, makes me happy, and it helps other people find videos about tech as well. And if you enjoy what you see here, please do subscribe. I have a variety of tech videos planned and upcoming, as well as a review on this bad boy and this bad boy as well. So let's get to the unboxing. This is the Samsung Smart Keyboard Trio 500. Why the 500? I don't know. But the Trio probably comes from the fact that you can connect and pair to 3 devices and switch between them. Interestingly, did make me laugh. Does say here, that's in focus, and you can see that. But it does say, it does show that you can switch to laptops, phones and tablets. Is that a thing? That's something people do? Connect Bluetooth keyboards to laptops? Because it seems bizarre to me, as laptops have keyboards built in. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Let's pull out the old trusty knife. Careful not to stab yourself, Craig. Nice. All the way along. And there she blows. So the set of colours there is like a black and orange combo. The reason I was excited to get this is I do a lot of typing for Cloud Dosage and for other projects as well. Sometimes I work on the go and I use a tablet, but the keys on the tablet case aren't very clicky, so I want something a bit more clicky. And sometimes I work on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 as well, so something to connect to both. This seems ideal. So fair size, not a bad size, and get some clickiness from the keyboard as well. So it does say it includes quick pair, so we're going to have a look at that in a moment. You can see pretty slim, pretty light, almost feels like a toy, and it takes batteries, which is yeah, batteries in 2022. You'd expect rechargeable, but hey ho. Batteries can be good, I suppose, if you're working in a coffee shop. And God, I can't get back in. Oh no. The other way, Craig, goes the other way. There we go. So yeah, if you're working like remote and it does die, obviously, you know, the pros to the batteries, you can just pop in some new batteries rather than waiting for connecting a charger and charging up. So got a nice on button on the side, just there. Give that a flick. Now it's on. Nice flashing light on the top there, and then it does come up with a quick connect as well, just like your headphones would. So new device has been discovered. Click to connect. Enter 803. Ooh, 803 256. And tap return. And boom. That is it. So I should have Twitter off there, really, shouldn't I be a bit more professional? But I'm not professional, so there you go. So that is that's paired now apparently. So if let's see. Just go into Microsoft Office, do new Word document, quick blank document, obviously unfold it, flex that out, like a little mini desktop anyway. I should then just be able to start typing away. And I feel all pretentious and wonderful, and you can see there, other than my bad spelling, has worked perfectly. It's nice, it feels nice to type on, even when I'm typing from behind the keyboard. Trio 500. Got a Dex button, so I can press Dex. Of course, with this, it is just going to be Dex on tablet and Dex on PC. but when I connect the tablet, that will just launch it into DeX mode on the Tab S8 Ultra or any of the Tab S8 range. And then on the top here, these 3 orange ones that stick out like a sore thumb, you can pair like your 3 favorite apps. So obviously you could have like Outlook. Let's see what it is. No app assigned. So open the apps you want to assign and then press and hold the app key for 3 seconds. Okay, so if let's do notes. So do notes as number 3. Boom. And then Outlook, number 2. And Office, number 1. Boom. So now, if I just go back home, should just be able to press number 1, takes me to Office, number 2, emails, number 3, notes, and it does smoothly transition between the 3 of them. That is pretty damn cool. Okay, so first impressions, I really like this. Seems responsive, quick, easy to connect. I'm going to have a play about it, of course, there will be a review, so stay tuned for that. As mentioned earlier, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer them in a review, so click the subscribe button as well down below, and check out some other videos, like this one, or this one, or click here to subscribe, maybe, I don't know, depends how the editing works. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one.